morning, everyone. Welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. Today, we have an update from National Law University of Odisha regarding the vacancies. As we already know, students, those who have written Clat 2023, has got allocation under various counseling procedures, and this is the update for those students who did not get any allocation under various counseling dates. So now individual universities are releasing vacant seats in their own websites. So for the convenience of our students, we at Abhyaas Lawprep has created a dedicated website where under one single page you can get all the links of different universities and the vacancies. Just Google the NLU Vacant Seats 2023, a link will be appearing. You click on the link and the page will be opened. This is the dedicated page where you can get all the updates immediately. So whenever a university releases vacancies, here we will update as soon as possible. Here now let us look into the Odisha NLU. So click on the notification. Here is the notification page where we will be getting all the details of vacant seats under National Law University Odisha. Let us have a detailed look. There are total 7 vacant seats released by National Law University of Odisha under 2 different programs, BA LLB and BBA LLB. So under BA LLB, we have 3 vacant positions, and under BBA LLB, we have total 4 vacant positions. So combinedly, altogether, we have 7 vacant seats under general category. So irrespective of the category, the student can apply to the particular university for getting enrollment in this vacancies. What are the deadlines and ranks? So as per the official notification released by NLU Odisha, we don't have any specified rank. So anyone, those who have appeared in Clat 2023 can apply for this NLU Odisha irrespective of your rank, irrespective of your category. But the thing is, only general category seats are available with Odisha. And the last date is 2nd July 2023, 11:50 p.m. So before 11:50 p.m. of 2nd July, you have to apply for vacant positions of National Law University Odisha by paying 1000 rupees non-refundable deposit. So let us look into the procedure. First, we need to pay 1000 rupees before filling the application. Click on the link which is showing in this particular notification. SBI Collect page will be open. In this, click on Educational Institutions. After this, click on National Law University Odisha. National Law University Odisha. Here it is. A payment page will be opened. Under payment category, click on Miscellaneous Collection, and after that you need to fill your roll number, name of the student, category which you are applying for, stream, branch, and purpose of deposit. See here, the purpose of deposit is application fee for admission against vacancies. Application fee for admission against vacancies. Clearly in the notification they have mentioned. Application fee for the purpose of vacancies. And amount 1000 rupees. After that, fill in the individual name again, name, mobile number, date of birth, and email ID. After that, click on this icon and enter the text as shown, captcha and image, and click on next. The bill will be generated. After that, with that bill, click on the Google Docs form which is showing here, and again you have to fill up all the procedure, all the details, email ID, and the course which you are applying for. So this Google form is for 2 different courses, for PG LLM as well as UG LLB. So click on UG, and again after that, amount paid 1000 rupees, your transaction reference number which is given on your bill, and transaction date, and the bill you need to upload the payment receipt here, and again personal details, name of the candidate, date of birth, gender, father name, mother name, address, state, country, pin code, and the candidate's contact number, father and mother contact number, candidate's email ID, and your Clat 2023 scorecard, Clat 2023 rank, overall India rank, and Clat 2023 category rank. After that, upload the scorecard which we have downloaded from the Clat consortium and choose the preference. If you are applying for UG LLB, you have two options, BA LLB as well as BBA LLB. So you can give first preference as well as second preference. After that, your 10th inter details, whether you have passed or appearing, and examination, year of passing, board, all your intermediate details, and all the certificates which are mentioned here: 10th class mark certificate, 12th or equivalent, copy of graduation or equivalent for LLM only. That means if you are applying for UG, you have to upload 10th class mark sheet as well as 12th class mark sheet, and Clat 2023 admit card and recent color photo or passport size. All you have to attach in one single PDF file, and you need to upload in this particular link. After that, click on yes and submit. So finally your application will be submitted with NLU ODISHA. So this is the procedure which you need to follow for applying for vacant position, and this is the only notification even for future vacancies. If any vacancies arises in future, candidates those who have applied in this particular notification, their candidature will be considered for future as well, irrespective of your category. As of now, they have given only general category vacancies. So in future, if any vacancies arise, so students will be considered for those vacancies also. So utilize this opportunity if you did not get any allocation. And if you have any doubts, you can always reach us at Abhyaas Lawprep. For your convenience, we are attaching the contact number and the website link in the description section so that you can always reach us. So utilize this opportunity. All the best.